Imagine walking into a town where every house is silent, meals sit half-eaten on tables, doors are left unlocked, schoolrooms are still filled with books, but there are no children inside. Guns are left untouched, even though danger is all around. And the most chilling part? On the blackboard of a classroom, a single sentence is written: "There is no salvation." This is not a movie script. It's not folklore. It's one of Brazil's most enduring unsolved mysteries. Today, we explore the strange disappearance of an entire community, the vanishing village of Hoer Verde. The year was 1923. Deep in the Brazilian Amazon, a small town known as Hoer Verde thrived with nearly 600 residents. Life wasn't easy. The region was remote, cut off from big cities, and often surrounded by rumors of bandits and political unrest. But the people of Hoer Verde lived with a sense of routine. Then, one morning, neighboring communities noticed something strange. Hoer Verde was unusually silent. No smoke rising from chimneys, no movement on the roads, no sounds of animals, children, or human life. When investigators finally arrived, they were stunned. The entire village had vanished. What they found was beyond eerie. Inside homes, meals were still set on tables, as if families had stepped out for just a moment. Clothes were hanging, laundry unfinished, possessions left behind. The village's weapons, crucial in such a dangerous area, were untouched, a clear sign that nobody had fought or resisted. But the most haunting discovery was made inside the local school. On the chalkboard, in hurried writing, were the words, "No há salvação." There is no salvation. No footprints, no signs of violence. Just a community of 600 souls, gone. Theories began to swirl. Some whispered about bandit attacks, but why would armed criminals wipe out a village yet leave behind all valuables and weapons? Others suggested political militias, since Brazil was in a time of unrest. But again, no bodies, no gunfire, no traces of struggle. Then came darker explanations. Was this an act of mass abduction? An entire town swallowed up in silence by something beyond human comprehension? Locals began to believe the land itself was cursed. The Amazon has always been a place of myth and mystery. Stories of jungle spirits, angry gods, and cursed lands have circulated for centuries. Some speculated that Hoer Verde was punished for disturbing something sacred, a forgotten ritual site, or land that was never meant to be settled. Another theory: mass hysteria. Could 600 people simply decide to abandon their homes at once, fleeing deep into the forest? If so, why leave food cooking? Why leave weapons? And why leave a cryptic message behind? More recently, paranormal enthusiasts have tied the event to alien encounters. The 1920s saw several strange reports across South America of lights in the sky and unexplainable disappearances. Could Hoer Verde's population have been taken, either by force or willingly, by something otherworldly? Still, skeptics argue that the whole story may have been exaggerated. After all, the mystery relies on fragmented reports and retellings. But here is the problem: even government records from that era reference Hoer Verde's disappearance. Something definitely happened. To this day, no bodies have ever been found. No descendants have come forward claiming their families fled Hoer Verde. The jungle has long since reclaimed what little remained of the village. It is as if the community never existed. The lone clue, "There is no salvation," continues to terrify and fascinate anyone who hears the story. Was it a warning, a declaration of despair, or something left behind intentionally to hide the real truth? Almost a century has passed, yet the fate of the vanishing village of Hoer Verde remains unsolved. Was it human violence, political secrecy, a pact with something divine, or even an alien intervention? We may never know. But one thing is certain: the silence of Hoer Verde echoes through time, a reminder that sometimes entire communities can disappear, leaving behind only shadows and unanswered questions.